So you'll want to cut a strip from the bigger button sheet like that. So it's like a row of them because you can't fit the whole sheet in this little puncher cutter. So you'll just slip it inside, make sure it's aligned with the circle, and then you just push down on that lever so it cuts, and you can take the strip out and try to get the graphic out of there. It'll be a little difficult sometimes. And then you can get out the button maker, and you'll want to put the metal shell disc into the one well. Yeah, that thing. You want the sharp side down, and then you put the graphic on top. And then take the Mylar disc and put that on the very top of all those things. And pat it down, make sure it's in there good. And then that's the pin back. You want that weird squiggly side facing up and the actual pin part, the pokey part on the bottom. So make sure the well with the graphic is underneath, and then you'll push down on the lever and switch the position of the wells, and then push down again so that all those things are stuck together. And that's it for this one. The back is already in, so it's finished.